If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Now this is 6 yards of Purple Cow raised bed mix. Good stuff. They're not a sponsor, but we like their product. It works very well. This was delivered. So this is 6 yards today. We're getting another 4.5 yards next week. Now this will fill most of the raised beds, and then we've also got giant grow bags and containers that we're going to fill not only here but in other locations. That's why we're getting so much. Now with all of this, there is a cost. We're going to break it down to you. It's obviously much cheaper to buy it in bulk, and when we go to the raised beds, I'll explain why. But I'm going to give you the total price of the compost and the delivery. Each delivery is a fee as well, so that they can only do so much. If you're in a different part of the country, you might be able to get your local garden center that provides bulk material to deliver everything that you need all at once. So with 10.5 yards, 2 delivery fees, it's $960. $80 a yard for the Purple Cow raised bed mix. So it's a very good mix. Now you think, oh my, that's a lot of money. It can be. However, remember, we are filling raised beds. And in a growing season, by using good compost in those raised beds, we're going to exceed $960 of overall of produce coming out of this bed, these beds, the other beds we have on the property, sister-in-law's raised beds, in which where some of this is going to go at the house on the containers. So it gets distributed here, but it will outweigh itself. And again, this is not like every year I got to go buy this. This is an investment, a one-time year investment that will pay dividends over and over again. There'll be some topping off that needs to be required, but a minimum amount. So we'll talk about how we're going to get it over there, but let's go over the raised beds and talk about, if you have a smaller raised bed, does it make sense to just buy bags of stuff from your big box store, or does it really pay to get the bulk material? Okay, so let's take this bed for example. This is a 4-foot wide by 16-foot long bed. Now maybe not all of you are needing a size of a bed of this magnitude. So let's break it down. This will take 2 cubic yards to fill up. Now obviously there is material already in here from our raised grow bags and some shredded paper and leaves. So that's going to decrease the volume in which we need to bring over. But anyway, this takes it bare empty, 10 inches high, 4-foot wide by 16-foot long. It'll take 2 cubic yards to fill up. So what if we just wanted to do a 4x4 bed? 10 inches high, a half a yard. Full yard is 27 cubic feet of soil. So now you're looking at a half of a yard, which is about 13.5 cubic feet of soil. You go to the big box store, you buy the El Cheapo stuff on sale. Don't recommend it, but you're paying, let's say, average of $10 a bag. You need 13 bags to fill a 4x4 bed, 10 inches high. That's $130 that you're going to have to spend on a 4x4 bed. I'm spending a fraction of that on this whole bed because I'm buying in bulk. Now, for example, Blue Mel's Landscape and Garden Center, you can go and have a trailer and have them load you up the requirements that you're looking for. Based on the situation and the year, you can go, and I have gone and loaded the back of the trunk up by putting in bags and buckets and then taking it and bringing it home and filling raised beds up that way, buying a half a yard in bulk. So it's much, much cheaper, much more affordable to buy in bulk, but not everybody has that availability.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.